Hey there, it's Bobby Legs, and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches, and welcome to today's unboxing for the week of
April 5th.
Okay, it is finally here, and you could probably tell from the description what I'm talking about. Let me break out the knife and see how am I going to get this up. Oh man, this is such a tease. I don't even know how to start. I may have to do one of these fancy fast forwarding the videos. Okay, and now we have another sort of, well, you know, I guess I can't complain, you know. I want this to travel safely, of course. And here it is. Oh man, so excited for this one. Been waiting for a really long time. Well, I mean, honestly, I put in the order in mid-January of this year, and it's been about 2.5 months for the wait. So I'm just reading that note, and ooh, yeah, baby. Ho, ho, ho. And of course, the booklet. Oh, that rubber strap looks awesome. I'm gonna have to get me one of those. Here is my warranty card. Oh, the tools, yeah, it's got one of those hexagonal kind of like screws for the links. Oh, I got my 857 on in celebration of this day. Oh yeah, baby. Oh man, awesome. That is awesome. Let's get this puppy off the plastic. I got this really wrapped up really well. Let's see here. I think, yep. This goes this way. Oh yeah. I know, man. I know I sound creepy, but it's been a long time coming, man. I've been really fired up for this watch for a very, very long time. Let me put this on wrist real quick. I'm gonna do all the adjustments and have that. But I just wanted to have this for you guys. Put it on. Let me take that plastic over the dial. Oh yeah, look at that. Man, that fits nicely. Wow. That is nice and flat. Yes, this is crazy. I mean, I have the Black Bay 58, Tudor Black Bay 58, which is about 11.9 millimeters case thickness. This is less, and it's a 500 meter diver. So awesome. Nice action on the bezel here. Interesting noise, but whatever. Oh, look at that, man. Look at those hands. Look at that second hand. Excellent. Awesome. Well, thank you guys for putting up with the ride, and hopefully I'll figure out how to fast forward the beginning of the video, because that was pretty brutal with the box opening. But anyway, very, very happy so far. This just looks really, really awesome. Let's put it up next against the 857 and take a look. Oops, that sounded a lot worse than it was, so don't worry. Yeah, awesome twosome for my Sinn collection. Anyway, guys, stay tuned for the next unboxing. Okay, next up is a recent release, just released actually, model from Mark over at Long Island Watch. This is the ISL 70 full loomed dial. Kind of takes its cues from the Spork, although the other release from Mark, the 72, I think is more of a direct kind of homage, if you will. I believe the cases on these are smaller than the original Spork. Anyway, So let's take a look. Oh yeah, look at this. I was just really interested. You know, he's done a couple of full dial releases. One of a samurai sort of release, and then he's got another one out there. But I wanted to check this out. I'm interested in this case shape, and I like this bracelet that he put on here. He sometimes uses a Jubilee style bracelet that I'm not that crazy about per se. I mean, it's not bad. It's just that I just prefer this one better. So let's check out the sizing on this. Yeah, looking forward to doing a review and showing off that full lume dial, the hour indices, the hour hands, minute hand, seconds hand, and the printing is in all blacked out. So you'll see when the lume shot, you'll have the dial that's loomed, and there's no lume on the indices or the hands because there's no need to, because you have the full loomed dial. So typical bracelet that's coming on here with his releases. 3 micro adjusts, not bad. I mean, it's a really thin bracelet. It goes pretty thin. I mean, I would imagine this is 20 millimeter lug width, and then it tapers down. It feels like it tapers down to a 16. I could be wrong. I'll do some measurements, of course, but it feels that way, certainly. So let's put that back on. I'll take the stickers off for the review, of course. But that sits pretty nicely on my wrist, and I got a 6 3/4 inch wrist. So definitely looking forward. Oh, nice bezel action. I believe these are ceramic bezel inserts too, but I'll have all that information for you on the release. So but there's a really good possibility, however, that you're going to be seeing the review before you see the unboxing. I'm trying to limit the unboxings. Putting them to compiling them for a release once a week, as opposed to as they come in. I just want to consolidate that, and just don't want to pound you guys with notifications of new videos. But so chances are you're probably going to see the the review before you see the unboxing. Anyway, see you in the next one.